Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm just doing a quick little video here. I'm just recording my computer. I just got home, and so far so good. So I'm going to show you what plays I'm making so far. Once again, this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The information presented here is not that of myself or anyone else that participates. It is clearly for entertainment purposes only. I can neither confirm nor deny the accuracy of any of this. So I just wanted to show you, yesterday I think I was sitting around 18,000 or something. But I made a couple big plays today. I want to show you guys. So as you know, if you watched my first video, I spoke about Nikola Motors, ticker symbol NKLA. Used to be VTIQ. And I bought into that when it first came out. I made about, I don't know, 10,000, 13,000, somewhere around. Just off that one stock. So I did it again today. There's another company here. Let me find it for you. The ticker symbol is SHLL. Okay, it's another blank check company. So it's another hybrid company, electric semi truck company. And I did my research. You have to go do your own research if you really want to find out about it and get into it. But this started off at $15 today. And I bought up a ton of it. I mean, what did I buy today? I bought 500 shares. And it's over 18 bucks. Now, surprisingly, I thought it was going to stay around 17 bucks for a little while, but it's over 18. I get a feeling this is going well over 20 bucks. I'm going to say 25 to $27. Pretty much what VTIQ did before the merger starts. Now, they're going to merge. Hear me out. The new company, it's a hybrid semi truck company. Okay, they just they turn regular standard diesel semi trucks into hybrid trucks. So it's a little bit cheaper than Tesla's semi truck or Nikola's semi truck. And this is probably the way most companies are going to go. So I see this company blowing up a little bit here. And I also see the hype for it blowing up. As you can see today, it's up 28%. And I knew this was coming. So I hopped on it. You still got plenty of time because this, like I said, this is probably going to do exactly what Nikola Motors did. It's probably going to shoot up to around 20, 24, somewhere around there. And it's probably going to hang out about 24 to 27 until the merger happens. Once the merger happens, folks, it's going over 30 bucks. I don't know where it's going, but it's going over 30. And that's just my opinion. I could be wrong. I've been right 90% of the time. My portfolio, I think, is up. I'm up 86% I'm sorry. That's supposed to say, wait a minute, that doesn't sound right. I think I'm up like 50%, even more than that, guys. Total. I've only been doing this for 3 months. I just, since the whole lockdown thing started, I had nothing else better to do. Look at this. I'm up almost 50%. I mean, that's insane. So where was I? This is another one here. This is another great one too here. So Invesco, it actually reached $4.10 today. That was unbelievable. I wish I would have bought it at that. I bought it at $4.42, so I'm still down. But as you can see, this company here, and I went over this in my first video. I mean, this company's gonna go back to normal eventually. They got strong stats. Their earnings come out. The earnings report comes out today, so I think that's why it fell down a little bit. But you can see it climbing back up. Now it's back up to 420 something, 423. Yeah, because I think we're gonna have good news with the earnings report. That's what I think we're gonna see. I'm sorry for the video quality and the audio. I got home. I'm just shooting this right off my laptop. But I want to talk about the stock that I purchased today, which is so the name of the company is going to be Hyliion Motors, I think. Hyliion, I believe it is. And they're going to be taking over. The new ticker symbol is going to be HYLN, I believe. And they're going to merge, hear me out, they're going to merge, they'll be merging at the end of the third quarter. Okay, folks, end of the third quarter. So you're talking maybe September, October. That's when the merge is going to plan on happening. So grab up that stock now at 18 bucks, even 20 bucks. You're better off buying it this morning at $15. I didn't even buy it at $15. I bought it at, I think, 17. No, I bought it at 16 and change. That's where I bought it at, yeah. So keep your eye on that one, guys. Like I said, this is not financial advice. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but I do know how to make money. You know, so this is just a quick video. If you like the video, I'm not one of these people that get on YouTube and say, hey, you get free stocks if you sign up for this. Give me a like. I'm not going to beg for a like or ask you guys to sign up using my link to get free stock. You know, the free stock they give you is trash anyway. It's better than nothing. My link is below if you want to click it. This is a brand new channel. I don't have many people. I don't think I have any subscribers. I'm probably talking to my fucking self over here. So with that being said, take care, guys. Thanks for watching.